We are on our way to... Yeah, that's me alright. After being an internet sensation for over 5 years, I'm sporting a mustache. And why is that, you might ask? Strictly because one of our buddies messaged all the guys on this trip saying, wouldn't it be funny if everyone wore mustaches for this expedition? And now, I will be stuck with this furry upper lip for the remainder of this trip. Apologies in advance. Anyways, we have 5.5 hours to drive down to Salem, Missouri. We're going to stop there because they have a Walmart, grab all of our food and supplies, which they will have more supplies at the camp stores. We'll get most of it. And then another half-hour drive to the Hyundai campground. We are going to be meeting a bunch of friends down there and floating the Current River, except that the forecast looks like it's going to rain quite often, so we'll have to see how it goes. The Current River forms in the southeastern portion of the Ozarks in Missouri and is about a 40-minute drive from Salem. The river itself is about 184 miles long before joining other rivers and eventually making it to the Mississippi. We have been making this trip to camp and float for many years, and it is still one of the most fun trips that we ever get to take. Yes, I did forget which side the tent has to lean, where the feet go in the tent. Anyways, this is our campsite at the Hyundai campground. Let me show you guys around. So we are going to be making a camp chili for our car, for our group specifically, and I guess it's a really good camp chili because it's pretty simple. We're not putting any beans in it, but we are putting some green chilies and this corn mix into it. We're gonna go ahead and simmer everything all together, cook our meat, and then add the rest of our ingredients, and then we'll probably let it sit for a good half hour to an hour and let it thoroughly cook together, and hopefully it'll be delicious.
Excited about this?
Yeah.
You, Mr.
Okay.
What?
It's different.
What?
Because it's not me.
What?
Cooking too fast is bad. Vibrate, it's on airplane mode.
Because I want to slam that box down right when you're finished.
Good slam.
Are you okay with
You're gonna say
go
good
in
slam.
front?
I'm gonna keep that on audio.
Don't yell.
So we're making camp chili and they're making beef and noodles from our friend who's an actual chef. So I think ours is gonna be a little subpar. I'm jealous. So our hamburger is 95% done. We're gonna put it in our chili pot and that is gonna simmer for a full hour. So we'll go ahead and transfer that as I speak and then let it sit on our low flame for a whole hour, stirring occasionally until this bad boy pops up to deliciousness. Yeah, we don't care about you.
I got him.
So we've been simmering for probably 45 minutes and it actually tastes really, really good. So we're gonna serve it up like is and enjoy our dinner.
beef and noodles? Go ahead.
We're gonna have so much leftover food.
There's cheese on here, but
I will eat that.
Cheese
You
and
guys-
donkey, dude.
want, you can have some of our meals, to be fair, because we have, if you want to try some of ours instead of the ones you brought. It's totally
Cheese
fine,
bay.
whatever. We have buffalo. We'll just go over it later.
For a hot night, you should have chili.
Away.
It bit me, whatever it was.
Oh no.
It bit me on the back.
I'm in a desperate place. Rachel, do you have any on deck?
following morning, we made a quick breakfast while we waited for the bus that would take us upriver. We were getting dropped off at the Acres Ferry landing to pick up our rafts and begin our float down the Current River. This will mark the beginning of the float as we mosey on down to the Poltai campground, an estimated 6 hours on the lazy river. And that, of course, does not account for the additional fun stops along the way.
Yeah, we're not going to do any work, guys. No work, no work.
Don't give up, you can beat him up, beat him up.
So does Jake.
Watch your backs. Oh no, watch out, Jesse. This always happens.
Okay, it's just not starting with the camera.
Go that way. Ah! So, we just got off the river tonight. Instead of making a fancy dinner, we have those just add water camping meals. We chose green curry for tonight, and I think we're just gonna keep it simple and enjoy it and see what happens tonight and tomorrow. That's a 6 point, let's go! For this trip specifically, we bought a 16-person canopy tent that we figured we could use to still do group activities if it rained. And as it is projected to rain extensively into the night, we moved all of our camping chairs into our hangout tent, with plans to watch a movie on our battery-powered projector. I look like Murderface from Metalocalypse. Anyways, we have a 9-mile float ahead of us and scattered storms on the horizon. This is the Holtite Spring. Holtite Spring is the 13th largest spring in the Ozarks of Missouri. It is located across from the Currant River and the Holtite Campground. The spring's name comes from a historical practice of wagons needing to pull tight on their reins to control their speed on the steep hill leading away from the spring. And this one in particularly has been measured to discharge about 88 cubic feet of water per second, and as that water bubbles to the surface, it has an average temperature of 48 degrees as it joins the Currant River. You're doing the spin-a-rooney without me? You're gonna spin it right into me! Look out!
Alright, kill it. Just grab the camera.
Grab the camera, that's all that matters!
There we go, leave it. And we're off. Wait, it's recording.
People will die. Starting tonight.
What's going on, man?
They won't let me in!
Do your narration now.
So anyways, there I was, floating down the river in a time of falling. Nate, pull! Don't let go! Ready? Pull!
Oh, it's not working.
What are you doing?
I'm floating. Ready?
Come on.
Thank you. I'm sorry I burped.
Oh, it gets droppy. This one's a lot smoother.
Oh, what's been arresting?
Spin move on.
Yes, it does. And that was our second day on the water. We are going to keep it pretty simple again tonight. We are roasting some corn on our cooking grate, and we're just gonna eat some hot dogs too. Keep it pretty simple. Not sure what we're gonna do tonight. We finally caught a break with some sunshine out here. So I think we're in the clear of not sleeping in the rain again tonight. But we are just gonna have a super chill night.
You don't want to watch That's a binding contract.
No, I wasn't. I show this to my friend that's a chef, so then he can make fun of me later. I think you've said that in at least 3 videos.
Yeah.
This is for my chef friend. Cut some pepper.
Are you in a shower?
You want the grate on, off? Don't touch it, it's hot.
Yeah, I understand.
Here, I sure.
Wait, you done? Okay. And cut.